Hello people, welcome back to this channel, and through this video I want to explain the difference between the Evernote and Google Keep. So these two applications have the same purposes. They could be give you an access to create a simple notes on your phone, but then there could be also several features that make them different. So let's open the Evernote first. On the Evernote, you can see this is the looks. And if you want to save this or pick out this notes, you can use the Apple Close so that you can save and safely delete the documents in a real here. And now tap into this, and it could be give you an access into the blank area to start creating the notes. Let's type notes here. Okay, and then you can see the features that you can use here. You can adjusting the text font. There could be title, heading, subheading, body, and modesty. You can make it bold, italic, and underline. There could be a numeric, and then the format for these paragraphs too. You can also create a checklist button if you want. And whenever you give a mark on the cycles, they could be give you this type of look. You can also add the tables if you want, and this for the attachment documents that you can use. They could be a photo or video. They could be scanning your documents, take a real life photo and video, or scan the text to import the text from the book into the paragraph on your Evernote. Sorry, and then it can also give you this. It's for drawing. Give you drawing brush, and you can also add the signature here. There could be a shape and sticker and the text box. So that's the feature that you can use on the Evernote. And what if the Google Keep? What about the Google Keep? You just need to open the Google Keep first, and this is the look. So this Google Keep need to be log in with or sign in with your Google account, so that whenever you open or you want to access it in any devices, you just need to open the Google Drive on your device and then find the documents. And next, let's just go tap into the new documents here, and then let's just say here Google Keep. And the features that you can use is right here. There could be a box, attachment. The attachment could be a take photo, choose image that from your library. There could be also a drawing, so you can get a brush here. And then there could be also a recording, so something that is not available on Apple Notes here. And then the next tick boxes, it's just the same with the checklist button on the Apple Note. So whenever you checklist, what makes different is the text will be moving on the bottom side. And on the Google Keep, there is no table, just different with the Apple Notes. And you can also change the color for your notes here. Perfect. And the next, type into this small dot, guys, and this is what makes Google Keep also different with the Apple Note. You can make a copy or duplicate the clip easily. You can send the clip easily with your friends, or even to a collaborators with someone or your friends, so that your friends also can add something or edit your notes on the Google Keep. You can add the labels too, and yeah, that's what makes these two applications is different. These two have like a good features that any the other application don't have, so it just back to you which one or which application that comforts you to create the notes. So hopefully this tutorial today giving you a good explanation, and let's move again into other tutorial.